Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to set the clock in a Mercedes C-Class. The first step is to put in the key and turn it to the first position. The next step is to use this knob and push it upwards like so. Then turn it to the right and press the button to select system. Then press down and make sure time is selected and press the button to select. Then when it's on set time, press the button and you'll see this. Then rotate the knob anti-clockwise to go backwards in time or clockwise to go forwards in time. Then make sure the time is set to the time you want it to set to. Here I'm just going 1 hour backwards. And then when it's set to the correct time, press the button in, then back, and as you can see, the time is now set correctly. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.